Hey, good evening traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at CELH Holdings. They are that energy drink company. Ticker symbol is CELH. And I want to show you what I'm seeing in the charts because I think it presents an interesting opportunity going into next week. So what do we have here? I zoomed out. I want to show you the larger time frame. We have this M top right over here to the left. We have this M top and this massive decline from $100. You put in this double top. Then from here, you absolutely sold off, right? Had terrible, terrible price action. Impulsive move all the way down to a low of, where were we? About $20, right? We were in this descending, kind of broadening wedge all the way down, had that consolidation, and then we exploded through it on earnings, but it fell back short, back into the descending broadening wedge, and then it made its way out, and then from there never did a retrace, but not important really in that scenario where you have a massive move up. That essentially was the retrace. It just wasn't ready. So then when we broke out, well actually we did. So if you zoom in right here, we had this breakout here, and then we had this retrace here. We didn't get a confirming candle till there, but then we had this here. So we did have a small little retrace. So that's good. So then from here, we put in this bull flag, flagpole, and then bullish consolidation. Nice, healthy bullish consolidation with a couple overthrows. Overthrow here, bear trap, then overthrow here, back tested, and then now we've formed this new flagpole bullish consolidation by virtue of a descending broadening wedge. And then where are we at now? Well, we got the breakout, which is nice. We got the breakout here, and we got the confirmation today, ever so slightly though. I mean, come on, look at this. So where do we need to close? We needed to close right there. Look at that close on the daily. Literally like a couple pennies higher. So it's technically a confirmed breakout. However, diminishing volume. So I see something like this into next week. As I think we're going to retrace. I think we're going to do something like this. And that, my friends, is the opportunity to get into this trade right here. Don't buy it here. Wait for that retrace to about 45, and then you strike. That's the area. I really, really like this price action. Really like this setup. Really like the consolidation. So then the natural question next is, where do we go from here? Okay, a couple of different levels. So I think the first level for upside target is going to be, I want to connect all of these pivot lows. I want to connect that shelf right there, and it's going to be somewhere kind of in that range. So 50 to 51, I would say. First take profit. Second take profit is a lot more aggressive of a level. Actually, you could do a couple different things. We could go this next kind of shelf right there, right? $61 area, and then if you really wanted to be ambitious, you do this right here, right to the top of that, or the bottom of that M, that shelf right there, and that would be about 68. So we could see some really, really nice movement out of this thing. I really like it. And we could even see maybe what it winds up forming is this mass, maybe it does like this cup, attacks that first price target level, right? And then from there creates a handle, you know, over the course of into October or something like that. Again, I'm just speculating here on what this could do, but I could see us coming up to that first price target, form the cup, then you create the handle over here, right? So it would look maybe something like this. I'll just kind of draw it out for you guys to see. So, and again, complete speculation, but maybe it does something like this, right? And we could see a retrace back to there or something like that. That's why I would definitely take profit on. So if I get into this thing, I'm definitely gonna be taking profit here because I could see something like this. I don't think we go straight up. I don't think there's enough accumulation here. I don't think, you know, depending on earnings, I mean, maybe it does, but who knows? But the likely pathing for me is going to be something like this, creating that additional handle over there, and then from there, just for fun, let's just see what that would be. So say we did come into that level. Let's do a measured move off a potential, again, cup and handle. Again, just speculating here, but you would take it to the breakout, and it could be somewhere over there, and that would put us even higher. That'd put us into the middle of the M. somewhere in the $80 range. I definitely wouldn't wait for that. But so yeah, so there you have it. I do like this chart. I think it has a lot of bullish setup. Let's quickly just look at the RSI on the daily, and what do we got? It's in a great position to continue forward. So yeah, a lot of things to like on this. Probably will reset a little bit, maybe get back down to 50 as it makes that kind of move right there. And then that's the area to get in. If you guys aren't already in, I know I'm not. I'm going to be looking for that retrace. And again, I'll remind everyone, no financial advice ever given on this channel, always for educational purposes and to show you opportunities in the market as they present themselves. Tick that bell. Make sure you subscribe. You're going to get these in real time. You're going to make a lot of money. I know I am. And yeah, that's what I got. So smash that like button for me. And guys, I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Take care and have a great weekend if you're viewing this today on Friday. Bye now.